Hi, I'm Andrew here from Park Orthodontics. Hope everyone's keeping well. We thought we'd make a wee video to help some of our patients and their parents and carers and everyone involved because at this stage now we've been having quite a few inquiries about what to do with sore braces, broken retainers, lost retainers, that sort of thing. So we've got a great product that we would like to tell you about and show you how to use that can hopefully help us through the next few weeks until we can get back and seeing patients again and getting more sort of long-term solutions sorted. Okay, so what I'm going to talk to you about is this product here. So this is effectively if you're familiar with mouth guards that you can mould to your teeth when playing rugby, hockey, that sort of thing. So it's one of these, but it's actually very good, really good fit. So it can actually act as a temporary retainer or as a sort of mouth guard splint for people wearing braces that need to cover up any sharp bits or sore bits that are causing a lot of problems and obviously that we're unable to correct at the moment. So I'm going to do a quick run through how to use it. It's dead easy and hopefully it comes in helpful to a few people anyway. So these were ordered on Amazon with a Prime account, came in a couple of days, cost $13.99 and a pretty good investment particularly if you've lost a retainer. So what's in the box? Well, we get 4 of these, what we call blank guards. So you get 2 small child sizes and 2 large adult sizes all together. So they should fit most mouths. You get a wee holder, always handy so we don't lose another one. Some cleaning tablets, which again always want to think of the hygiene, and a very good instruction leaflet which will come in handy if I'm not making any sense as well. Okay, so that's what's in the box, and we'll talk you I'll talk you now through how to use them. So first thing we need, if you are a child, you probably need an adult to help you, because at this point we're going to use some freshly boiled water in a bowl. So I'm going to fill up about halfway. There we go. Now I'm going to use the larger size because I've got a big mouth, I'm an adult. And so we choose the right size for me. So I'm going to take my blank, I'm going to pop it in the water for about 30 seconds. So I'm just timing that now. What I'm looking for is the plastic to start going soft, and it will start to curl in itself. Once it's heated up, I'm going to put it in my mouth and I'm going to mould it to my teeth, so I'm not going to be able to speak at that point. What I'm doing is I'm really pushing it very firmly onto the biting surfaces of my teeth, the inside, the outsides, and I'm sucking it in so it's really taking the shape of my teeth, the soft plastic moulding in. And that'll take me about sort of 20-30 seconds, looking pretty stupid in the process. So we've got 30 seconds there. I can see it's starting to fold in now, so I'm going to take it out before it gets too soft, and I'm going to use a fork to do that. I've been very careful not to burn myself. The plastic should now be sort of soft, quite sticky almost, and it's not burning my fingers, so it's safe enough just 10 seconds out the mouth to then pop it into my mouth. So here we go. Okay, so I feel that really taking shape. You can see how firmly I was sort of pushing it in and squeezing it in, trying to get all angles, thinking about trying to push in around as many teeth as possible. I'm taking it out now. You can feel it start to get less soft in your mouth, so it's less effective. So you can take it out and just let it cool down on a plate or run it under a cold tap if you want to speed up the process. Now, like any good how-to video, here's one I made earlier. And the trick is then we're going to try a second try, and once it's cooled down, and we know we've got something successful when we put it in and it doesn't fall out without me having a bite on it or hold on it. So it should just fit in quite nicely, no sharp bits, sore bits, and cover most of my teeth. So let's see how it feels. Brilliant, feels great. Affects my speech, but apart from that, it's doing the job. So, right, we'll take that back out. So there we go. So we've just made a nice, robust, temporary retainer that should hold the teeth reasonably well until we can get back in and get something that's sort of properly made and made for purpose. And as I said before, also great, you can do this over fixed on braces to cover any sharp bits or sore bits that are affecting the cheeks, gums, lips, tongues, whatever. Okay, so please get in touch if you've got any questions about any of that, or any questions about any of the other orthodontic treatment that's going on. We're here on email, social media, and of course we're on the phone as well. So take care. We hope to see you soon.